Hello, St. Joseph's student. I hope you are fine. Our lesson today is about relation between two straight lines. Firstly, what is the straight line? Straight line goes on and on in the both direction. A line is drawn with an arrow on each end. It has no start point and has no end point. This is called a point. When it is at the end of a line, it is called an endpoint. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It is drawn with two endpoints. Ray. A ray goes on and on in one direction. It is drawn with an arrow on one end and an endpoint on the other. It has a start point and no end point, like the rays coming from the sun. Line relations. We have three relations between two straight lines. First one, intersecting and intersecting perpendicular and parallel to parallel lines. First we will take parallel lines. The parallel lines are always the same distance apart. They will never touch, like the bars of the trains. They will never meet in any point. Can you find the parallel lines? You can find the parallel lines here. The stick. This stick is parallel to this stick. This part of wood is parallel to this part of wood, and two sheaves are parallel together. In the library shelf, this shelf is parallel to this shelf. The two sticks are parallel together. The second relation, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are two lines that cross each other. They meet in one point. Can you find the intersecting lines? In this road, this is the intersecting lines between this road and this road. The car coming on this road and the car coming from this road will meet in this part, in this point. This is the part of intersecting roads. You can say the intersecting lines in this mathematic instrument. In these pens and the scissor must be intersecting to cut things. Perpendicular lines, the third relationship between two straight lines. Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect to form right angle. It must form four right angles. Right angle equal 90 degree. Can you find the perpendicular lines? You can find the perpendicular lines in this shape. In the letter H, this line is perpendicular to these two lines, and this is parallel to this line. The shelves of library are perpendicular together, and this shape, this line is perpendicular to this line. This chair and this table, it has wood perpendicular to wood. Perpendicular lines are also intersecting lines because they cross each other. They met in one point, intersect in one point. Perpendicular lines are special kind of intersecting lines because they always form perfect right angles. Name each figure. This figure is called point. This figure is called line segment. Ray. Line segment. Perpendicular lines. Intersecting but not perpendicular. Parallel lines. Again, a summary. Types of line: ray. Ray, it has a start point and no ending point. Line segment has a starting point and an ending point. Straight line, it has not starting point and has not ending point. Relation between two straight lines. The two perpendicular lines, the two straight lines form four right angles at their point of intersecting. Then the two straight lines are called perpendicular. The two intersecting straight line, the two straight lines form two acute angle and two obtuse angle. Then they called intersecting and not perpendicular. It has two acute angles here and two obtuse angles here. Two acute and two obtuse. It's called intersecting and not perpendicular. The two parallel straight line. The two straight lines have not a common point, then they called parallel. This line is parallel to this line. They will never meet in one point. This line is parallel to this line. This line parallel to this line. They will never meet in one point. AB is parallel to CD. Exercise. Write the relation between these lines AB and BC. We start from A to B. This line called AB and this line called BC. What is the relation between BC and AB? The relation between AB and BC. Yes, it's perpendicular. This sign means they are perpendicular. The relation between AB and YZ. AB, YZ. The relation between AB and YZ. AB and YZ don't meet in any point. They called two parallel lines. AB and YZ are two parallel lines. XY BC. XY and BC. XY BC doesn't meet in any point. XY parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC. AY intersect with BZ at the point what? AY, this is the ray. You can complete it to reach the end of the paper, the end of anything. AC, AY when we complete it, it stopped at C. BC, BZ when we complete it, stopped at C. So the intersecting point C. Again, AY when we stopped at C. BZ when we completed, we stopped at C. AY and BZ, they will meet in any point. They will meet at point C. Number 5. CY intersect with PX at the point CY. When we complete it, it stopped at point A. PX when we complete it, stopped at A. So they intersect at the point A. Again, AB perpendicular to BC. AB perpendicular to BC. AB parallel to YZ. XY parallel to BC. AY intersect BZ at C. CY intersect PA PX at point A. Write the relation between each of two straight lines. Number 1, intersecting and not perpendicular. They are intersecting because they make two obtuse angle and two acute angle. Two acute angle here and two obtuse angle here. They are two parallel lines because they doesn't meet in any point. This line is parallel to this line. Intersecting and perpendicular. They intersecting in one point and make four perfect right angle. They called intersecting and not perpendicular. Thank you for your watching.